Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make homemade Mod Podge and glossy homemade Mod Podge. So let's get started. Start with some glue, Elmer's glue or LePage's wood glue, and you're going to pour some into a bottle. Add approximately half as much water, so about that much. So I'm going to bring it up to here. Put the cover on and give it a good shake. And that is your homemade Mod Podge. To make glossy homemade Mod Podge, add some permenamel or any acrylic varnish. And you only have to add about 1/4 whatever you had in water. And give it a shake. And there you go. That's how easy it is to make homemade Mod Podge. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.